Your best photo might be just 10 seconds away. Have you got a minute? Let's educate, empower, and inspire your photography one 60-second tip at a time. One of the biggest mistakes photographers make is thinking the moment is happening right now. Very often it isn't. The real moment could be just about to arrive. So before you press the shutter, ask yourself, shall I wait for someone to walk into the frame? Shall I wait for the person to step into the light? Shall I wait for the background to become less cluttered? Sometimes the best thing you can do for a photograph is absolutely nothing. Just wait. And a few extra seconds can be the difference between a shot simply recording a scene and a remarkable one. This is why great street and documentary photographers talk so much about anticipation. They aren't lucky, they're ready. They see the potential, set the stage, and wait for the final piece of the puzzle to fall into place. Henri Cartier-Bresson said, "To photograph is to hold one's breath." He wasn't firing off hundreds of frames, he was watching, waiting, anticipating. And when the moment arrived, he was ready. If you'd like to learn more about visualization and anticipating a moment, check out episode 8 of my Ultimate Checklist series here. Remember, great photos aren't about faster fingers, they're about seeing what's coming next. That was your Focus Bite, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks for watching, I'll catch you soon.